Ma.
Yeah, tell me. Abananti, repeat your question.
Yeah, then.
Can't hear you, Abananti. No problem. Move to next word. Acha, for Ideaman, anything more that one knows about this Ideaman Yazard?
Yes, I know.
Okay, tell me, sir.
Yasna Hot 54.
Okay.
Is about this Yazad, and then I think it's very important about the end of the world, like the last sessions will recites this Yasna Hot 54, and then
who recites this? Sorry. Repeat. Who recites this?
Last sessions.
Okay.
The last one. And then we will kill the Ahriman.
So Ideaman Yazard is there is a prayer, Yasnaha 54, as you rightly said. The prayer is A Idiama Ishur, the paragraph of A Idiama Ishur, Rafedra is unto Nerebiasta, Nairebiasta. That's the whole paragraph. It comes immediately after all the 5 gathas in the structure of the Yasna.
This is Ya or Sa. You said this is Sa, Ideaman.
Ideaman.
Hello.
Ideaman, my dear.
Carry on.
Ideaman. So, and this prayer is the one which our prophet Zarathustra also recited in the court of King Vishtas, holding the fire in his hand to prove the power of Mazda Yasni's or Zarathustri religion. That's the power of Ayriyama Ishwar Rafedrai prayer. It is also a kind of a prayer full of benediction, and those who are married, they would have been witness or part of this prayer, recitation of this prayer on the day of wedding. It is part of the wedding Ashirvad also. Ayriyama Ishwar Rafedrai prayer. Okay. Next, move to the next word, Ishim.
Ishim, accusative singular of ish here, meaning desirable, beloved. It is derived from root ish, which is to wish.
Ish to wish, yeah.
To wish.
And then the same. Ashavanem Asharatum Yazamira continues. So what is the here also righteous word, make it before desirable. So we venerate righteous, comma, desirable, Ideaman, Lord of righteousness. You can keep it that way. Move the word righteous as another adjective for Ideaman Yazard. So we venerate righteous, comma, desirable, Ideaman into bracket. After Ideaman, write Yazard ideally into bracket. Ideaman, after Ideaman, write Yazard. So we venerate righteous, comma, desirable, Ideaman into bracket Yazard, Lord of righteousness. Next word.
Amavantem.
Haji.
Amavantem, accusative singular of Amavant, meaning courageous.
Okay.
Ama means strength.
Yeah.
And want the adjectival suffix.
It could be what or want. We have come across this. I've talked about adjectival suffix showing possession. Adjectival suffix showing possession. Ama is the noun form and Amavant is the adjective form. Okay.
Okay.
So Amavant and courage, it is used in the sense of strong, courageous, interchangeably. Amavant. Next word.
Verethraj name.
Veretrajan. We came across this word earlier. I think we discussed about this word. Veretrajan somewhere.
No, it's here only. It's here only.
Yes, about I think that's Sanskrit name.
No, actually we had done all this last time, but after full speed magaila, so we are doing it again.
Is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. But,
Yes.
but it
Oh,
was
okay. So
very-
we had done the grammar part and we were to do the translation.
we were on
did it in a hurry.
Acha, acha, acha.
Zizuke, but this was too much in a hurry, so it's better we do it again.
Chal se, okay. No problem.
Verethajanem,
Haji,
accusative singular of Verethajan, meaning victorious.
Victorious.
Verethra means enemy, and root jan, to smite, to strike. Hence the meaning smiting or striking the enemy.
when you strike
or
down the
victorious.
enemy, you become victorious.
Victorious.
Yeah, of course, I mentioned about this. I mentioned about Behram Yazid. Then Jamshed answered about the equivalent Sanskrit word. Okay,
Shatrugna, yes.
Verethajan. Then next word,
With by shangem, accusative singular of with by shang, away from harm. The prefix the means away, and by tabishang means harm, injury, derived from the root bish, to harm or injure. Ang is the neuter noun suffix. With whisper is accusative plural of whisper, meaning all, entire, pronominal adjective.
pronominal adjective means it is part of the chapter of your pronoun chapter. This whisper word is listed in the chapter of pronoun. I think you must have skipped pronoun as a chapter na, in year 1. Must have just glanced through it, pronoun part.
Yeah.
So pronouns were differentiated as relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, pronominal adjective. Then there was interrogative pronoun, ke, ko, cut,
Yes.
cheat.
We had done this very fast last year. I remember talking about this pronominal, but
Okay.
yeah, it went rather
Then
fast.
there is reflexive pronoun also. Khwa is reflexive pronoun. આપણે જે ખુદ કરીને બોલીએ ને, ખુદ means for yourself. Khwa is yourself. Reflexive pronoun. You may come across those also. So whisper, all that you have to remember is all, entire.
So like the swa of the Hindi swa, so kwa. It's actually, it connects well with the khud, yeah.
Whisper, next word is beshao.
The
Relative
beshao.
pronoun will be everything ya, starting with ya, yo. You will come across a lot of relative pronoun. Who, meaning who or which, relative pronoun. Yenge, you'll come across a lot of words which are relative pronoun, starting with y, yo, ina badao se. Okay? Ye hai. Next word, beshao word karo.
Beshao. Accusative plural of tabeshang, act of malice, derived from the root bish, to harm or injure.
Wait, let someone else volunteer now. Machej? Kon Machej? Sarah, you take up. Start readings.
Okay, sir. Which one? Taur و yantem. Taur و yantem. Accusative singular of Taur و yantem. Yes. What is the last one? Oh, this is T.
Perfect.
Okay.
Taurvayant. Perfect.
Taurvayant, meaning destroying, present participle prasmapada from the root taur to destroy. Ta'orv.
It is taurva. Taurva. Huh? And see here,
But
this is the
where-
first instance of your participle termination, ant.
So ta'orva, so where is the at the end? At the end, there is only where, I think, as I see. Before to destroy, the root.
Taurva,
Ta'orv, is, I think the one a is missing here.
a is missing. Yeah, taurva. Taurva to
Just a
destroy.
col-
So destroying. Taurva yant is destroying.
Yes.
Here the first instance of your participle. If you have learned at and ant, you're putting into place over here. Next word, vispa, we have done. Beshav, we have done. Take the word
Just-
them.
One moment, please.
Bolo ji.
For the correction, Amna Sarai Kayute. So after the word, there is an to be put in.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
taurva. Move to titaren. Vispa, beshav are the repetitive words.
Okay.
Titarant.
Should I continue, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Titarant.
Titarentem.
Yeah.
Titarent. Accusative singular of titarent, meaning overcoming present participle parasmay pada from the root tar, to cross, to overcome.
Gujarati ma bhi se na tarwa gayo. Tarin is swimming. Tar is swimming. Tar to cross, to overcome. And reduplicated form is titar. Reduplicated form is titar. Okay. So titar becomes titarant, which is a participle, present participle. So ing is added, overcoming or crossing.
Sir,
Haji,
so why is it reduplicated in present participle?
it is reduplicated and then the ant is added. No, because if you have any word which is class 3, you have to reduplicate the root.
That is done in perfect participle, ne? Reduplication.
No, but by word itself, if you want to do, you will do it. Word by itself.
As in, I didn't get that.
I think
Any
Kaina's,
root,
what
any
is
root
it that
if
you
you
need
have,
to?
if you have a root which is part of class 3 and you want to add any termination, you will have to allow the change, that is reduplication.
Okay, from the class 3 also. Okay.
Now comes all your relative pronoun. Yo. Continue, Sarah.
Yes. Yo, nominative singular of ya, relative pronoun which, who.
Pronoun ke baad which and who means the meaning of the word yo is who or which.
Upemu, nominative singular of upema, uppermost, superlative degree of adjective from upa. And yo again, nominative singular of ya, relative pronoun which, who.
Skip repetitive words.
Okay. Majemo, nominative singular of majema, middlemost. What does it mean, middlemost?
Means the way we say madhyam or middle. Madhenu, madhya. So same madha. Madhyama is middle.
No, I mean in English itself. Middlemost, what does it mean, middlemost?
Middlemost.
What is in the
It-
middle? Absolutely in the middle of something.
Okay. Okay. Yo, nominative singular of ya, relative pronoun which, who.
Skip the
okay.
repetitive words.
Yeah, sorry. Pratimo, nominative singular of pratima, foremost, superlative degree of fra, forward. This one is za, zao, zao, zi, zu, yeah, yeah. Oh, yes. Zao zi za zao zi zu ya.
Zuye, zuye.
Sorry, yeah, yeah. Dative infinitive of zao zi zu for invocation. The word is derived from the root zu to invoke.
1 minute, 1
Taro-
minute, 1 minute. I'll tell you about this. Infinitive, I think this is the first time you have heard the word infinitive. Okay. Does anyone know about infinitive? Okay, I'll tell you. Infinitive means basically an action in its infinite form. An action in its infinite form. That is called infinitive. So it's in the continuous form, in the sense that it's more of a verbal action. The way we say to eat, to do, to sleep. So it takes that it is not declined, but normally it just gives us in the dative form. So it is dative always. There will be just a few words. You will come across one such word in Jaje Buye karke in Artashniyas also. When we do Artashniyas, we'll come across a word called Jaje Juye. So this is Georgie Ju. Jaje Buye karine de ek word che Buye. So Buye is from root bu to be Buya apne kariye. But there it is Buye. George Buye karine ek word house. So this is an action in its infinite form. So we have just to invoke basically. Georgie Juye means to invoke or for invocation. From root Ju to invoke. Root Zu to pour or root Zu to invoke. So infinitive means action, actionable valu, actionable word basically. Okay, next word now, Taro. Take the next word.
Sir, one second, one question. So
Bolo.
first of all, the root zoo is
Yeah.
being reduplicated. The root zoo is being
Yeah,
reduplicated. So it becomes
Georgie.
Georgie. तो ने ज अगर ज आवेश थे ज ओ जीजू
Formation is direct formation, but I is written ek chair. And
Okay.
for this word, you just have to remember that it is a dative. For grammatical analysis part, you have to just remember there are just handful of words. It is not dative ma ending with I normally ave. It could have been ZI, Georgie, ZI something out there, dative agar hote to, if it was declinable. This is
Right.
indeclinable. And the
Okay.
termination for infinitive is ye karina avi just say ye karina termination. Infinitive ma. And it is a kind of you will come across more of an infinitive as a chapter in Pelvi when you move to next year. Each of the words are given as infinitive, and the description given is TO2 action, to do this, to eat, to sleep, to work, to write, everything. So infinitive you remember as something which is a verbal activity. Remember it that way. And
this is-
here in the whole of Avan ke, Haji, sorry, bolo.
This is a word to be remembered as it is. The
As
O
it is.
zizue,
It is dative.
As it is.
As
And
it
it is
is.
dative. That's it.
Dative
There's
infinitive.
no
Correct.
further explanation of
Correct,
breaking
correct,
down
correct.
of anything.
So infinitive I've told you. Infinitive matlab verbal action वालों से. Infinitive. જેને આપણે infinitive કહીએ છીએ. Next, taro. Taro means
Taro means beyond.
across. The way આપણે
across.
tar કહ્યું, tar આગળ જાઓ, cross કરો. That is taro. Beyond or across. Matrim is the new
Temufrem-
word. Take the new word matrim.
Temufrem, accusative singular of temufra. Words
Matra,
of-
matra.
words of-
Actually, it is matra. This the way we write but it has not come out very clearly in the Avastan here. It is ma pachi che a which had inverted pele kutu like this is ne badle karvanu che a with a full stop karta hoy ne matra ma man if you have
Like
to say
in France, the example there was
okay.
that one.
So this
Yeah.
is matra vani nu matra che means prayer valu che. Okay. Accusative singular of matra. Matra is what? Words of prayer derived from root man to think.
Tra is the